How to share Facebook page link. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can share a Facebook page link. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy through this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook application. Here you should get a face like this. You can head into the particular page that you wish to share. Now I'll just open up this particular page since this opened up here. Now once you open up that particular page, if you just tap on the three dots option that you'll get along with the profile there, you can see you want to tap on it, you'll be able to see the copy link option right there on the screen. Simply tap on copy link and you can see link to page has been copied. That's the pop-up has opened up below, and now you can go ahead and share your link to anybody you want. Suppose you want to share it to WhatsApp chat, you can simply open up your WhatsApp and head into the chat that you wish to share the chat to. Now I'll just open up this particular, and here you can simply go ahead and paste the link and you can share it. So this is the way you can share a Facebook page link. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.